की इतनी ज़्यादा केमिस्ट्री होती है एक कॉफ़ी बनाने में, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें।
इतना फ्लर्ट कर रही है, मैं मुझे कॉलेज के लिए कि 2 बच्चे का बाप बनने वाला हूँ यार।
One flirty compliment, one hilarious reply, and one tiny hand gesture has left the internet talking. When a female fan openly flirted with Ranveer Singh, the actor had the perfect response. इतना फ्लर्ट कर रही है, मैं 2 बच्चे का बाप बनने वाला हूँ यार. But while everyone laughed at the joke, eagle-eyed fans noticed something else. Did Ranveer just cross his fingers while talking about becoming a father of 2? Here's why this playful interaction is now going viral. The moment comes from a recent promotional event for Ranveer Singh's health brand. During an interaction, a female fan couldn't stop praising the actor, especially his coffee-making skills. Her compliments quickly turned playful, and many online felt she was openly flirting with him.
इतना फ्लर्ट कर रही है, मैं मुझे कॉलेज के लिए कि 2 बच्चे का बाप बनने वाला हूँ यार।
Ranveer didn't ignore it, nor did he make the moment awkward. Instead, he smiled and replied, "इतना फ्लर्ट कर रही है, मैं 2 बच्चे का बाप बनने वाला हूँ यार." His witty response instantly won over the audience, with loud cheers and laughter filling the venue. Within hours, the clip was all over social media. Many users praised Ranveer for politely shutting down the flirting, while affectionately mentioning his wife, Deepika Padukone, and their growing family. But then, the internet spotted something else. As Ranveer mentioned becoming a father of 2, some viewers claimed he briefly crossed his fingers while talking about becoming a father of 2. That tiny gesture has now become a discussion of its own. Was it simply an unconscious habit, a playful mannerism, or just a random movement caught on camera? There's no confirmation that it meant anything, but social media has been replaying the clip, trying to decode those few seconds. The viral moment comes just months after Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh announced they're expecting their second child. The couple shared the happy news through an Instagram post featuring their daughter Dua holding a positive pregnancy test. Keeping the announcement simple, they captioned it only with evil eye emojis. Fans and celebrities flooded social media with congratulatory messages. Reports suggest the couple is expected to welcome their second child later this year. Ranveer and Deepika's relationship has always been admired by fans. From falling in love during Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela to getting married in Italy in 2018 and welcoming daughter Dua in 2024, the couple has often shared glimpses of their journey together, which is perhaps why Ranveer's spontaneous reply resonated with so many people online. Instead of entertaining the flirting, he turned the moment into a sweet reminder that family comes first. And whether or not the crossed fingers meant anything, they've certainly added another layer to an already viral clip. What do you think? Was Ranveer simply joking, or are fans reading too much into that tiny hand gesture? Let us know in the comments below. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.